Hey guys, welcome to Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to apply for a loan from Uprova step by step. We will also include a link in the description below for you to sign up. If you're looking for other loan options, we've also included links in the description below for services like Advance America, Upstart, and MoneyLion. Be sure to check those out if you're interested in exploring different financial solutions. Now, let's get started with the Uprova loan application process. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. From there, click on the button that says Get Started. Next, enter your first name, last name, and email address in the fields provided. Also, click on the tick box beside I am not a robot. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. Then, create a strong password and enter it in the field provided. After entering the password, click on Continue. Next, you will be asked how much you would like to borrow. Enter the desired amount in the field provided. Then click on Continue. Here, you will be asked if you are in the military. Click on the drop-down arrow in the field provided. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that applies to you. Then click on Continue. After that, enter your home phone number, cell phone number, and date of birth in the fields provided. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your street address, city, state, and zip code in the fields provided. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. You will then be asked to provide your social security number. Enter it in the field provided, then click on Continue. You will then be asked about your employment status. On the options provided, click on the option that applies to you. Also, enter the amount of time you are on your job. Then click on Continue. After that, you need to provide details about your employer, such as the employer's name and phone number. Enter it in the first and second fields provided. Then in the third field, enter your monthly income. Then click on Continue. Next are the details about your paycheck. On the first field, enter the frequency of your pay, whether it is weekly or semi-monthly. Then, enter the date of your next paycheck in the second field. Lastly, in the third field, answer whether you are paid by direct deposit. Then click on Continue. Then, enter the routing number, account number, and bank name where you like the funds to be transferred. Then click on Continue. You will be asked if you have a promo code, but it is only optional. Also, read the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and the consent to use electronic records and signatures. Once read, if you agree, click on the tick boxes in the middle of your screen. Then click on Agree and find My Rate Now. That's how you apply for loan from Uprova. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.